what is the best investment for college student? So I hope many of you will say like investing in stocks, investing in crypto, Web3, metaverse, like NFTs, some mutual funds, etc. Right? So what if I just say you not all these things? So the best investment for college student is investing on yourself, right? So make sure to watch this video till the end and also like this video and also subscribe to the channel. So what is investing on ourselves? Investing on ourselves in the sense upskilling ourselves by taking new courses, or let's say by learning new skills. So that's investing on ourselves. So we all have been to this formal education type, right? Going to college or let's say school, attending classes, learning things, writing exams. We are all in this loop, right? So this is formal education. So how can you just upskill yourself? So what's the self-education? Self-education in the sense learning the skills which make you a better person. So for example, let's say communication. So this is a very important skill that we should have. Or let's say different new technologies. So those are the things that that's the market required, right? So these kind of skills have to be learned, right? So it can be possible only through self-education. Now, when it comes to investing on yourself, it's about spending money or let's say time on learning new things. So that's investment. You're just investing your time. You're just investing in your money to learn new things. So definitely learning new skills will won't give you an immediate returns, right? It's not like getting returns in like crypto, right? Like around 7 to 10% daily. It's not like that. So it's a consistency game. You should keep learning consistently and the returns will gonna come on the long run, right? So that's all for this video. So this is a short video. I hope this video is helpful for you and you may know what's the best investment for a college student. So I hope this video is helpful. Make sure to like this video and also subscribe to the channel. So with that, I will just see you in the next video. Until then, take care and thanks for watching.